Hi, welcome to my channel about physiotechnique, robotics and embedded systems. This video is focused on my Arduinos, Arduino Mega2560, Arduino Mega80K and the Uno. And these two are interconnected and these two are interconnected. Physiotechnique motor with propeller driven by this one and signaling all going here and then to my laptop. Last time I decided to add a direct wire from here to the 2560 in addition to a wire from here to analog and then from here from digital there, and that made the conclusion it didn't matter that much because somehow the values that I read here from this potmeter are quite different than I read there from that same potmeter directly. So there's something to investigate. But now I also face a power problem. Both these boards do not want to power up, so I need to measure the wiring. And apart from that, I just realized that the drawing that I made using Fritzing is absolutely not representing the reality. So that needs a visit as well. First of all though, some measurements. Alright, screencast mainly for a different angle of the camera, but also you can see the boards and you can see the Arduino environment for C, processing environment for Java, and the Genie environment for Fortran code. But as said, first measuring. Why is this board not doing anything? So basically I need to check the signal, or check power anyway. Is there any power on this one? Nothing so far. Anything here? Also nothing. Are they interconnected? Well, that needle goes to 0, so it's good. So this is excellent. This is excellent. Also very good. And also very good. So that means that I have to check other stuff. That means checking between ground and power, which doesn't show a thing. So this is the okay, that's just the measuring wire. Ground, nothing, which can also mean this wire is not good. But let's check here. It shows absolutely nothing. That is worrying, because this one is doing something at least. Absolutely nothing. Okay, other thing right here, nothing. Where are things going wrong then? Here I measure nothing, and here I measure nothing. So there's something definitely wrong with power distribution here, and I've just spot where it probably is. Yes, basic math ground wire with the first Arduino. Problem solved, fortunately. Which means I can direct my attention to Fritzing, because I want this to be depicted in Fritzing. So let's go there. Oh, and by the way, I did check all the wires before, but for some reason that one might have escaped my attention. Anyway, everything is functional. Let's go here, because this and this is not the same. These are two lanes and this is just one lane. So I have to change everything. So with that redrawing, I want to go further on the data acquisition. And last time that didn't go very well, so let's make a new reading, which takes some 15 seconds. Quite boring, but it needs to be done. And next I need to read it in here from the data file, and then compare, and well, let's see whatever happens. And in here you can see whatever is happening really. Not much space, but things do come. I haven't counted, but I figure that it is alright now. So let's view this. And what do we see? A0 and A3. And according to everything, this is straight from the Uno, so these should be kind of the same. This is A0 via the Uno, so the potmeter via the Uno. So from here to here, here, if you follow the cursor. This one is the wire from here straight to the Mega2560. And those values are no way the same, but I do know that this is then a pretty high value, and ignore the rest. I do not have the other laptop connected, so I cannot read exactly what is going on really here, which value it really is. And it would be a nice idea to have that without the laptop. But how to do that? Perhaps measuring it with the multimeter. That's a nice idea. Let me try that one. Alright, multimeter applied, and now I turn the knob. So this is maximum and this is absolute minimum, which means that this value was actually not the first 4 digits, but the first 3 digits, 130. And of course I have to make sure that this probe is actually connected. So let's see whatever value it gives now. And I have to cut this short and do another run. Otherwise it's impossible to measure. Is that 10-15 seconds? Let me hope so. Alright. Go. A0, A3. I am not really convinced. Not at all. This shows more than the other one. So, potmeter. Okay. Potmeter, and next one, next one, next one, and it is fully open. So that doesn't make sense to me. Let me now run this one for all values, and it terminates. That was with last time as well, so I need to dive into that. And the error gives that integer from item 9 on line 55. Line 55 is on this one, and it specifically says item 9, which is I4, and then it turns out that this is integer 4, so 4 numbers, and it is the last input, and it definitely was introduced while reading A3. And that makes sense because this is more than 4 digits. This is all 4, and the last one is not 4. So that's a problem. I need somehow to truncate it into the first 4 digit maximum, and then I could safely do it. So I have to dive into Fortran again. Okay, so I find that my idea of truncating is not an option. So what I'm going to do is put something in here, and then 9 digits, and make this I4. So I4 will finish from here, and let's see whatever this gives. Same problem again. Oh wait, I have to rebuild it. Then run same thing, so that was not a solution. Right. That very simply means that I have to rethink how this works out, and that will be for another time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can also support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. Please take a look at my website for more embedded systems and Technique videos. And also take a look at my Ko-fi page and Patreon page. Then this is going to be continued, obviously. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.